Hi guys, it's Holly. Welcome back to my channel. I was so excited when FRAGRANCEBUY reached out to me and asked if I wanted to create a video in collaboration with them. So FRAGRANCEBUY sent me a pair of glasses to unbox for you, and I will show those to you in just a moment. They're stunning. But first, I know I'm just drawing out the suspense. Let me tell you a little bit about FRAGRANCEBUY. FRAGRANCEBUY was a company created to offer affordable and stylish prescription eyewear for men, women, and children. The process of purchasing from FRAGRANCEBUY is super simple. All you have to do is upload your prescription information. You have all the choices that you would have at any optometrist's office, except so much cheaper. There's offers and deals all the time, and I will have a special code for you in the description bar down below to get 50% off your first frames from FRAGRANCEBUY.com. So please check that out if you're interested. Comes in super cute hard case like this to protect your frames. You'll also receive a care and cleaning cloth because this this glasses pouch is microfiber and doubles as a cleaning cloth. So these are the frames. These particular frames look like this. They're a clear gray acetate, and I love them because they're so trendy right now. They're super just in trend. So this style with the super chunky frame and the beveling along the bottom and top, I absolutely think it's so cool. It's kind of an avant-garde, futuristic, just a look. FRAGRANCEBUY makes it so easy to choose super inexpensive but quality, well-made frames for an affordable price that you can always upgrade your glasses wardrobe or just replace old pairs when you need to without having to worry about breaking the bank. If you want an even bigger discount off your first pair, check out the link below and use the code provided to get 50% off your first frames. The quality is not going to let you down. I've had some of these frames for over a decade. Even the newer frames remain in good quality. This pair, you can see the super thick, well-made acetate earpiece and the well-made acetate frame. The lenses have never fallen out on any of my pairs. The earpieces have never broken on any of my pairs. And the only place that I will buy my glasses from is FRAGRANCEBUY.com. Full price is so affordable anyway, but they always have discounts available and it's awesome. The glasses ship to you quickly and securely. And I just can't, I've talked about FRAGRANCEBUY in other videos, but I can't hype them enough because just the quality for the price is so much better than what I've paid lots of money for at an optician's. I really hope if you need new glasses, you will check out FRAGRANCEBUY using the link below. I do receive a small commission if you decide to purchase. If not, you don't have to purchase from my link, but you can still get a discount just by going to their website and taking advantage of offers that they have there. I hope that you like some of these styles. Every style that I showed you, I'll link down below as well. There is no good reason not to check out FRAGRANCEBUY.com. So hit those links below. Make sure that you leave a thumbs up and a comment. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate FRAGRANCEBUY for reaching out to work with me on this video. I really love these glasses.